I'm going to make a video to show you how to take a recording, an MP4 out of Zoom and then upload it to YouTube, which is a great place to share it with students or colleagues or peers. I'm currently in a Zoom screen here. I have a record option down here. I'm going to go ahead and click the record. And I like to record things to my computer, so I'm going to click that. You could also record this to the cloud and do it that way. But I'm going to record this to my computer. It's recording now. I'm just going to say hi. And then I'm going to stop my recording. And I'm going to end my meeting. Whenever you're ready to end your meeting, just end it. And then click End Meeting for all. And you'll see what's happening is it's going to give you an MP4, which is this last one here. It gives you several different versions of it, but here's the MP4. I'm going to right-click while holding over that, and I'm going to rename this, and I'm going to say Hi Video, and click Enter. So it's given us a little video here that we can now upload to YouTube. I'm going to move this screen out of the way onto my second screen over here to the right. I'm going to be dragging that video that you just saw back in here in just a moment. Here's my AppState Gmail. I'm going into my Google Apps and I'm going to open YouTube. And when I open YouTube, I'm still in my Gmail for Appalachian State University. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click Creator Studio. And here is my YouTube channel. If you don't already have a YouTube channel, you need to make one. From here, I'm going to come up here to the top right upload arrow and I'm going to click Upload. And it gives me a screen that I can drag my video, my MP4 that I just made, over to it. And I'm just going to drag and drop it there. All right. And it's going to take a second. And it depends on how long your video is. It's going to be processing for a little bit. Just about done. And it's done now. And before I hit publish, I'm going to say that this is how I like to do it. You can list it as unlisted and give people the link to it if you like. I like to set mine to private and then share it just to AppState viewers. That way anyone who's at AppState can get to it if they like to. It looks like everything is great here. If I wanted to date this, I might do that. And now I'm going to click Done. All right. So then I would click on this link here. So you can see it uploaded the video. And I'd like to go into, I'm going to click on Edit Video here, and this is the link that I could then take to my students to give that to them. I would just copy and paste that. You could right-click it, say copy, and then paste when you get over to where you want to put it, perhaps in your As You Learn course. And that's it.